Hello friends, hope you all are fine. If you are finding a good opportunity to earn, this video can help you. Today I'm talking about a business plan. With this plan you can start your earning journey. Let's start the video. Today I'm talking about Hamara Shop Nineveh. Website of the company is www.hamarashopnineveh.in. You can see the picture of managing director. We can also see his address and phone number and other contact details. At first talk about the legal documents. This company is 100% legal, genuine and secure company. You can see all legal documents on your screen. Talk about us of the company. The company was founded to provide financial freedom, to get rid of house rent, groceries expenses each month, children's education arrears, etc. Take out the business plan of this company, providing a commerce platform. You will get daily online education on Zoom meeting at 9 p.m. It's 100% life-changing opportunity. Talk about the joining packages. There are 3 types of joining packages. First package is for 50 rupees. It's auto upgrade system. You will get a handkerchief and a mask. Next package is for 259 rupees. It's Repurchase system. You will get leather wallet. After that, next package is for 150 rupees. It's Fun Club income system. Let's talk about the first package of 50 rupees, auto upgrade system. In this package, your 30 rupees will go to your 3 upline and you will get a 20 rupees product. In this package, you can refer unlimited and you can earn unlimited earning. Each refer you will get 10 rupees. You can see more details on your screen. Talk about auto upgrade income. You can see the chart on table 1. In level 1, if you have 5 member in your team, you will get 10 rupees from each and your earning will 50 rupees. In level 2, you will get 250 rupees from 25 member. Level 3, you will get 1250 rupees from a level 3. Here your total earning will 1550 rupees. For next level, you have to update with 200 rupees. You can withdraw 1350 rupees. Minimum withdrawal is 300 rupees. After that, in level 2, you can see from first level you will get 250 rupees. From second level you will get 500 rupees. From third level you will get 12,500 rupees. You can see for next level you have to upgrade with 2,000 rupees. You can withdraw 11,250 rupees. In table 3 you can see in level 1 you will get 500 rupees from 5 member. Earning will 2,500 rupees. From level 2 your income will 5,000 rupees. From a level 3, earning will 1,25,000 rupees. What next level you have to upgrade with 20,000 rupees and you can withdraw 1,12,500 rupees. In table 4 you can see from level 1 you will get 5,000 rupees from 5 member. Your earning will 25,000 rupees. In same way you will get 50,000 rupees from a level 2 and you will get 12,50,000 rupees from a level 3. For next level you have to update with 2 lakh and you can withdraw 11,25,000 rupees. In table 5 you can see, in level 1 you will get 50,000 rupees from 5 member. Your earning will 2.5 lakh rupees. In level 2 earning will 5 lakhs rupees. In level 3 earning will 1.25 crore. For level you have to upgrade with 10 lakhs and you can withdraw 1 crore 22 lakh 50,000 rupees. In same way you can see table 6. Here your total earning will 6.62 crore. For next level upgrade with 10 lakh and you can withdraw 6 crore 52 lakh 50,000 rupees. Talk about Repurchase income. Package of 259 rupees. Here you will get refer and earn. Each referred you will get 75 rupees. On first level you can see on the chart. You will get 4% plus 75 rupees. From 5 member and your total income will 20 plus 375 rupees. In second level your income in 100 rupees from 25 members. In third level your income in 500 rupees from 125 people. In same way it will continue up to 33 level. And you can earn huge amount from this company. Join for start earning. Talk about club membership income. Package of 150 rupees. Here you will get different type of funds. You can see on your screen. You will get education fund of 4%, health fund of 4%, grocery fund of 10%. In same way there are many type of funds like utility bill fund, house rent fund, entertainment fund, shopping fund, gold fund and many others. Don't miss this opportunity to join first start earning. Admin charges will 15%, TDS will 5%, auto invest with 10%. For joining you can scan this QR code. You will get bank details. You can pay your amount and join this company. Don't miss this opportunity. Join fast and start earning. For more info check description. Call our leaders. They will help you. Join fast, start earning. Thank you.